Git is a version control system that tracks changes to files, especially code. It's the backbone of modern software development, used by individuals, teams, and even huge companies like Google and Microsoft. Imagine writing an essay, saving different versions as you edit. Git does this automatically, for code. It lets you track changes, revert to earlier versions, and collaborate with others seamlessly. Git was created by Linus Torvalds, the same person who created Linux, and it's open source and free. The core idea of Git is simple. Take snapshots of your project every time you make a change. These snapshots are stored in a repository, or repo for short. You can create branches to test new ideas or features, and if things break, you can always go back to a stable version. When you're ready, Git lets you merge your changes into the main branch and keep everything organized and conflict-free. Git is usually used with GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket, platforms that store your Git repositories online and allow collaboration with others across the world. Whether you're building a personal website or contributing to open source, Git is the first tool you should learn. It's powerful, fast, and essential for every developer and IT professional. Red Circle subscribe to Level Up now for more short tech explainers. Graduation cap for live DevOps training. Enroll here. Right finger https://www.unixtrainingacademy.com/enrollment